guys, and welcome to my channel. I got my Boxycharm on Friday just before I went about my day. It's Saturday, I'm filming it, but it's probably, I think I'm not gonna get it up till Tuesday with editing and everything. Anyway, I got it the earliest that I've ever gotten it, which was pretty awesome. I got shipping notification on the 4th. It didn't move for several days, and then it told me it was gonna wait another week, and I was like, no, but then I got it by the end of the week, which made me very happy. I was about ready to drive to where it was because I could drive there in a day. Technically, you could drive there in a day and back, but it shouldn't take, if something's 10 hours by car away from you, it shouldn't take a week to get to you. There's my rant. All right, so here is what it looks like inside. I had joined the wait list for premium because I really, really wanted that Natasha Denona palette. I really wanted to try some of the other things in there. I was just excited about the premium, and it looked really good. And for $35, it was worth the $35 for me. I did not get off the wait list, and then I heard somebody that noticed that everybody who's gotten the premium was not getting Luxe, was not already a Luxe customer. And if that's so, that's really rotten and makes me mad, because the people who are Luxe are the people who are your loyal customers who have been really excited about makeup. So of course they would be the ones that would be most excited about premium. And to, take others over that just really irritates me. But there's been a lot of things, they said they were gonna go in order of the wait list, but people who didn't sign up that first day still got it, and other people who joined within that first hour didn't. And then they sent out so many PR boxes. You already didn't have enough product to cover the people who signed up for it. Why would you send PR to people to generate more business when you can't keep up with your demand already? That's bad business, and that's being a really just rotten business practices. Anyway, there's my rant. So this is my box. I was also really hoping to get the Farsali spray because I didn't want any more brushes, but I didn't get premium, so I'm not getting the Farsali. I know that. First thing in here is this little guy from Pretty Vulgar. It's supposed to be 4 shades here. Let's see. Turn off that light for a second so it doesn't glare. Even with this very fair, I think it's darker than my skin. So we're gonna see if it fits, but I don't really know if they're doing this the best way to create, profiles for complexion products. I'd rather not get complexion products, if I'm being honest. Then I have my Boxycharm thing. This says I got variation 18, which it's made as they were advertising what was going on this month. It seemed like they weren't going to do as many variations. There's only going to be a couple variations, unlike what's been happening last month, which there was 40 some variations, which was ridiculous. Anyway, the first thing I got in here are the brushes from Boxycharm. They're the top thing inside, and they have this little plasticky case. Honestly, I would rather them have something, I know this is technically reusable, but I don't know, I would rather have something more recyclable. Just put it in a sheet, make an envelope out of paper, like the Gaia ones that they did a while ago. These are what they look like. They are very top heavy. If you were going to put these in a, I usually stand them up, they're going to fall. They're not going to stand very at attention. And then this is what they look like, because I really was curious about what the shape was. Nobody's really been showing that when I've seen the videos. They are very soft and very densely packed. They're not a fluffy brush whatsoever. This is supposed to be a foundation brush. I'm going to see if I can use it for something else. I don't know what else I could use it for, but I never put foundation on with a brush, so I won't use that if that's the case. And then this is supposed to be a powder brush, or I don't know. Anyway, these are supposed to retail for $35. I might end up passing these along to a friend and see if they like them better, because at this moment I'm a little cranky about them and I don't know what to do with them. And if I don't know what to do with something right away, I don't want to deal with it. like I have enough things that I need to figure out in my life. All right, then we're gonna pull out the next one, which is from Dose of Colors. This is different packaging than what we normally get with Dose of Colors. I'm pretty sure their packaging on these is usually like very pale, like a white color. And this is the shade Date Night. And we're gonna pull this out. And it is a very red shade. I know they had 2 red-ish shades and 2 like nudie shades. I was kind of hoping for one of the nudie shades because I have so many red lipsticks. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's coming up. I have made a color chart for different lipsticks. These are my red lipsticks. So this is going to get added on here. These are liquids on the top. But as you can see, I don't need another red lipstick. But it's okay. I will use it. I love Dose of Colors formula. So I'm excited to try that. I know that I'll probably end up liking it. These were made especially for Boxycharm. They're special colors for Boxycharm. And they're still made in the US, which is good because I've heard some other rumors that other brands are being made in different places to bring stuff to boxes, which is not cool. That retails for $18. Those brushes for $35. Like, would you pay $17.50 for one of those brushes? I wouldn't. Then we have the Kypris. This is an antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. And this is, it's made exclusively for Boxycharm. And it retails for $90, which is insane. So you just put several drops of this on morning and night. So you can do it morning or night, which is good. I don't always have a lot of daytime serums. I feel like so many of mine need to be used in the evening. So I'm glad to have that. $90. That is the one that I chose because I think the other one that you could choose was Juice Beauty. And I know this is probably controversial, but I kind of feel like Juice Beauty is trash. I have not found anything from Juice Beauty that has done anything that has worked. So I'm always glad when I don't get Juice Beauty. I'm going to pull out, like there is this, but I'm going to pull out what's in the bottom because I can see them in the bottom here. These are Wonder Beauty Mackie Berry Antioxidant. I have never heard of that. It must be some sort of a fruit. Let's look on this really fast. These retail for $9. I guess for the 2, they're $4.50 each. It's a berry of some sort. Oh, and I guess it's Haru is the company, not the Wonder at the side. So sheet masks, I have so many sheet masks, like ridiculous amount of sheet masks, but I'm still gonna use them because I love sheet masks and they're easy to use. Like they're consumable, you get them in and you get them out, which I sometimes like in my collection. All right, last thing in here is this palette from Dominique Cosmetics. This did have a little plastic sleeve over it and had, excuse me, hiccuping, and then had little plastic insert over it. And I did take those out because I did try this yesterday. As soon as I got it, I hadn't done my eyes yet, so I did an eye look with this palette because I was really excited about it. I used this in my crease like all over, which is the shade Lucid Dream. Then I put over here like kind of in the outer corner Mystic Ice, and then all over the lid this Eternal Light, which you definitely have to use your finger with. It does not pick up on a brush at all. I'm going to do swatches of these. I heard that this palette was not the best and it's not the same as her other formula, which is kind of sad because I've been wanting to try her stuff. And I really am curious for those who have this palette already, if they got it in this Boxycharm, how the quality compares between the two. Like, are they the same? Did they reformulate to make the smaller palette or what? So that gray shade on the top didn't really show up very well at all. I'm trying to give a little bit. We need light, but not too much light. The gray didn't swatch very well, and then you have the other one swatched pretty nice. These are worked better than that first glitter, which you can't even see it right now. It's really super subtle on the eyes. Okay, we're gonna swatch the rest of them in this. So we'll do the bottom, which are all mattes. I kind of wish that there would have been an equal number of shimmers, because there were some beautiful looking shimmers in the original palette and we didn't get those, which was kind of disappointing. Let's see, I'm going to swatch this one down at the bottom, the blue. So pink, orange, burnt orange, and then orange and blue. It actually looks pretty nice. I'm excited to try it more on my eyes. This was a palette that I was really interested in getting till I started seeing people's reviews on it, and then I was disappointed because they didn't do a good review. These are also the worst makeup wipes I've ever tried, I swear. They don't want to take off things at all. Like, you have to work like crazy no matter what you're looking at with these Burt's Bees. I just hauled them recently and don't get them. Avoid them. They're not worth it. Anyway, that's the box. That's supposed to retail for $35, which seems like quite a bit. I mean, I know the other one is larger and it's more, but this feels like it's not like that much smaller. Like, this feels a lot smaller than the other one. Anyway, I'm not making sense anymore. I'm gonna go. What did you get in your Boxycharm? Did you get it? Did you get premium? If you did, are you a luxe person? Did you get both of them? Also, if you want to talk spoilers, let me know, because I've been looking at the spoilers, because I don't know if I want to get the next box, and I feel like they're going to do like really good box, not so good box, especially because Luxe is coming out. So let me know what your thoughts are on the different spoilers that have come out. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.